What separates Artline Kitchens from any other kitchen manufacturer? Is it quality? Is it our service and professional staff? Is it our commitment to the very latest technology? Is it our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility? For Artline Kitchens, it's all these things and more. 25 years ago, Artline Kitchens began with the simple intention of producing elegant, high-quality, affordable kitchens. Artline now sits as the premier wholesale kitchen supplier on the Australian East Coast. The company's focus and attention to detail hasn't changed. However, the scale of the operation and tools of trade have. Delivering in excess of 80 kitchens per week makes Artline enormously competitive due to the sheer scale of the operation. It all starts with our suppliers. Artline Kitchens demand high-quality, innovative and attractive components. From bench tops to slide-out accessories, Artline uses only the best materials and hardware available. Nothing illustrates this commitment to quality better than one of our chief suppliers, Bloom. These exceptional hinge and drawer systems come with a lifetime guarantee. The Bloom quality of motion adds to Artline's fixation on matching excellence and elegance. The Bloom product line and the rest of our selected suppliers' quality components fill our warehouse shelves. This gives Artline the capacity to supply finished kitchens without delay. Everything we need is at our fingertips. From design to manufacture, Artline Kitchens' IT department utilise the latest in design and project management software and hardware. Kitchen orders are individually processed with component lists sent electronically to the latest in CNC machinery. This machinery cuts and drills cabinet components with complete accuracy, maximum efficiency and minimum wastage. Components are individually labelled, barcoded and tracked through various checkpoints within the factory, ensuring a complete and accurate kitchen. This level of computerisation also allows Artline Kitchens to customise and design innovative cabinets. All aspects of our business are impacted by this evolving technology. Artline continues to explore and develop in this area, ensuring our clients receive the highest quality product. The Artline Kitchens facility at Smeaton Grange in New South Wales has been designed specifically to manufacture kitchens. It has a natural flow, starting with the warehouse and arcing around the administration hub through to the dispatch area. From the moment Artline Kitchens receives the order, the kitchen becomes a cumulative build. It moves through the factory as each careful addition is made. Finally, our skilled cabinet makers assemble your product by hand. This customised architectural design is another reason Artline Kitchens can guarantee your kitchens arrive as a quality package at the designated time, ready for installation. This high-tech environment is underpinned with personalised service. Each Artline kitchen is individually managed by a member of the Artline production team. That means that you, the client, have a designated contact at Artline. They know everything about your order. They are contactable at any time and they are responsible for delivering your order on time. Artline studies kitchen designs from around the world. Many have attributes that are fantastic and others that are not. Artline encourages its design staff to take what we learn from various sources and apply that to the kitchens that Artline manufactures. Our staff understand Australian kitchens, from the Artline collection of custom-made cabinetry to the interlock range of cost-effective Australian-made modular kitchens. Artline has a range to suit any taste or budget. State-of-the-art manufacturing techniques and down-to-earth customer service creates that unique balance between mass production and personalised service.
We had very humble beginnings, but the reasons for our success remain the same as they did 25 years ago. Manufacturing quality and maintaining the high standards that our customers' reputations rely on will always remain at the heart of this company.